Hi, I'm Steve Monkley. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious EasiYo yogurts using this EasiYo yogurt maker designed for commercial kitchens. First, pour room temperature water into the outer pot of the yogurt maker and fill to the line. You don't want chilled or hot water, just room temperature. Take the inner pot and pour room temperature water to 1/3 of the pot. Then whisk the whole bag of EasiYo yogurt base. I'm using the unsweetened grease starch, but it's the same method for all EasiYo yogurt products. Mix thoroughly and make sure you're using the right size bag for your maker. This is a 2.4 kilo bag for this 13 kilo yogurt maker. Continue whisking while topping up with more room temperature water until it's about 5 centimeters from the top. Then put the lid on the inner pot and gently lower into the outer pot. If you've added the correct amount of water, it should not overflow. The larger size pots are heavy and you may need some help in doing this. Now just plug in the EasiYo yogurt maker and press the red start button. It's as easy as that. Now I'm going to leave it to set for 8 to 12 hours and then I'll move the inner pot and refrigerate until chilled. In the meantime, here are a couple of quick tips. Don't start the yogurt maker without water in the outer pot. Make sure your yogurt maker is positioned in an area where temperatures do not fluctuate, away from cold, drafty or hot areas, as this could affect the water temperature. After 8 hours, the yogurt was set beautifully, and I then chilled it for a couple of hours in the fridge. You can leave it longer to set, up to 24 hours before refrigeration, for a tartar tasting yogurt. But after 8 hours, it has already developed into a smooth, thick and creamy yogurt with nothing artificial. You may have noticed bubbles have formed on the top. You can simply stir these in before serving. Here are some examples of how to enhance and present the EasiYo yogurt product with muesli, fruit, nuts, puree and some fruit toppings. EasiYo, just give it a go.